Joy is not random, it's a strategy, and you're about to learn how to build it. Let's bloom and increase your impact.
Welcome to Gears of Joy. Let's begin your journey.
I'm Tiera Click, founder and CEO of When the Mind Clicks, a mental health and self-improvement based leadership development organization. Here, our mission is helping people shift from survival to joy and to increase their impact while doing it. This video is all about introducing our framework developed by yours truly, the Gears of Joy. I want to start by saying that I have always had joy in my heart and in my life since birth, but I have not always felt like I had access to it. There were times in my life where my joy got snuffed out, or at least it felt like it was. I was in survival mode, extremely reactive, going against my own character, intuition, standards, values. All of these things were depleting me and my joy, and it just felt really chaotic. When I was in that mode, I wish I had the right tools to get myself out of it sooner, but I didn't. So I dedicated myself to gaining education, the right tools, the right resources, and the right skills to pull myself out of that slump so that I could return to my essence of joy. Because I went through all of that, I developed the Gears of Joy, and I want to share it with you all. This is intended for leaders because I really do believe that the more joy a leader feels, the bigger impact that they will have on the people around them. How do you know if you are a leader? Well, if your healing, your self-improvement, your education, and your growth has an impact on the people around you, those are the qualities of being a leader. Now, the Gears of Joy aren't intended just for leaders. Anyone can use the Gears of Joy. Any of us can benefit from shifting gears. But the people that I target and work with are those who are looking to make an impact or naturally make an impact on others. Your joy matters so much. Your alignment matters so much. Your growth, your healing, you becoming authentically yourself matters so much for the people around you. And that is something that I didn't understand, that for a while I was robbing people of experiencing me and my gift and my joy because I was in a slump. So by healing yourself, you can be a gift to others and you can expand and impact the way that God intended you to do so. Now, some of us were never explicitly taught how to move on from survival mode and achieve sustainable joy. So I built a roadmap. This series is all about the Gears of Joy framework, a 7-gear journey from survival to generative joy. This series is for you if you are feeling stuck, reactive, like there's a piece of yourself missing, disconnected, or you're just ready for more. You're ready to bloom. You're ready to elevate. You're ready and looking to take your life to the next level, elevate your impact from where you already are so that you can make a bigger impact on the people around you. Anyone looking to shift from whatever mode they are currently in into the next level, this series is for you. You'll learn how your nervous system, your relationships, your communication, your identity all impact yourself and those around you. You'll gain a deeper understanding of these things and more awareness as well. You'll build regulation skills, resilience, anti-fragility, and ultimately a pathway to more joy. Joy is not random, it's a strategy, and you're about to learn how to build it. Let's bloom and increase your impact. You are who you think you are. Do you know whose child you are? Amen. Because when the mind clicks, there's always more joy. Welcome to the Gears of Joy series. Subscribe and start the series with video 1. And in the next video, I want to hear more from you about what gear you think you're currently in. I'll see you there.